if you are getting a notification that says there is someone at the doorbell before your Azan or your Azan is not working, then this is how you fix it. Let's open Alexa app and then click on devices. Over here you're gonna choose Smart Azan and see this option, doorbell press notification, and make sure it's off, grayed out like this. Once you turn this off, Azan will play and you will no longer receive there is someone at the doorbell notification. Thank you.